All right, so I would like you to see these three countries. So we have United States, Germany, and Russia. The compared to the world population, the population of these three countries combined is only 8%. However, we all, including Germany and Russia, we all consume about 75% of the world's most widely used metal. Take a look. So we have mercury, lead, cadmium, chromium, arsenic, and you guys know these are very, very toxic. Okay, the amount of this metal allowed in water have to be really, really small. I'll take a look right here. So mercury is really small, 0.144 allowed only, and the unit of concentration is not ppm, is ppb, even smaller. Ppb stands for parts per billion. Billions is 10 to the 9th, millions 10 to the 6th, right? Ppb is even smaller than ppm. Okay, we can't let the level of this metal in water high. Otherwise, it will be really toxic and people get really sick. Okay. All right. Parts per billion. That's the definition of ppb. Whatever you have, how many parts per 10 to the 9th parts at the bottom. Okay. The common unit of ppb is milligram per meter cube. Right. So again, don't memorize this unit. As long as you can convert these to whatever parts per 10 to the 9th at the bottom, you're good. Okay, so I'm going to show you. This is actually 1 over 10 to the 9 at the bottom. Milli is 10 to the negative third, so convert m to 10 to the negative third. Meter cubed convert to 1,000 liters, so I get 1,000 liters there. All right. Okay. All right. I'm going to convert liter to milliliter. So 1 liter is 1,000 10 to the third milliliter. Like that. All right. And I'm going to convert a milliliter to grams because density of water is still the same. This is a very dilute solution. So solution and water, they have the same property, right? So the density of this one, so I can convert milliliter of water to grams of water, basically. All right. Now flip 10 to the negative third to the bottom. So basically, I have 10 to the 9th at the bottom, and that is parts per billion. This is ppb. Okay. So in the problem, you're gonna see it later. I don't memorize any formula, any unit, but all I do, I just convert from one unit to another. I know what unit I want, I just convert it. I'll show you right here. All right. In 1999, the scientists reported in the groundwater from a west side in Atlantic City, New Jersey, had a concentration of diazepam, which is medicine, as high as 40 ppb. At this concentration, how many milligrams of this medicine were present in 100 liter sample of this wastewater? Okay. All right, so we want to know, so milligrams per 100 liter sample, that's unit that we want to. Okay, so milligram of the medicine per 100 liter solution. What we have is we have 40 ppb. Like that. All right, but if you write 40 ppb right like that, I mean, you can't really do anything with it. So you have to go to the definition of ppb. So 40 ppb means 40 grams of the medicine over 10 to the 9th grams of solution. So part per billion. The 10 to the 9th is billion. All right. All I'm going to do is convert unit to the right. So gram of the medicine diazepam to milligram of diazepam. And 10 to the 9th gram of solution to 100 liter solution. That's the unit that we want to. That. All right, so unit to unit, I'm starting with the solution right here. So grams, what is it? Mass, is it volume? So, but I can use the density. The density of water is 1. All right, this is very dilute solution. The solution still have the property of water, still the same thing. So density of 1. So I can convert gram to milliliter directly. All right. All right, so milliliter, almost to liter now. All right, so milliliter is 10 to the negative third liter. So I just change m to 10 to the negative third. That's it, m to right there. Okay. So I got liter solution now. But let's do the math here real quick. 10 to the 9 times 10 to the negative third, so 10 to the 6 at the bottom. At the top, I haven't touched it yet. Just leave it like that. Okay. All right, look back to the unit we want. We want 100 liter solution. Right now we have million liter solution. What I'm going to do? I'm going to divide, split 10 to the 6th to 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 2nd. That's the 100 liter solution. See that? 100 liter solution. I don't want 10 to the 4th. Flip it to the top. Yeah, so 10 to the negative 4th at the top. Okay. All right, one more. So at the bottom, so I have 100-liter solution already. So just leave it like that. Don't touch it again. Okay. At the top, I have grams. I have to convert that gram to milligrams. All right. Well, how do I do that? Well, milligram. Oh, I'm going to do this. 10 to the negative 4th, I split into 10 to the negative 1st times 10 to the negative 3rd grams. So that 10 to the negative 3rd gram, that is milligram, right? All right, so milli means 10 to the negative 3rd. The 10 to the negative 3rd itself, that's a M. That's a milli. Okay, so I do the math right here. So at the top, I have 4 milligram of diazepam per 100-liter solution. That's exactly what we want. Okay, so there's a formula from the textbook. So concentration of ppb is the mass of solute per mass of solution times 10 to the 9th. You can use that too, but again, there will be too many questions at the end. So, and I don't want to use it. So I just convert from unit to another. That's all I do, and I don't have to memorize the formula at all. Okay, so it's up to you. You can use a formula if that's your thing. But I prefer convert unit to unit, so I don't have to memorize. Okay, I hate memorizing. Anyway, all right. So we have class activity number 2. All right. Yep. You know what to do.